So, hello everyone. This is the episode 3. Okay. So, today's program is for calculating area of a triangle. Okay. We will see how to make that program. Okay. So, welcome to coding in Android. Yes, if you are new, please see the last uploaded videos so that you get a clear idea how to code in Android phones, Android devices. Welcome to Learn Tech with RS. Okay, let's start. So we will start from the basic. First of all, we will to go to the file menu. Okay, file में जाएंगे. Now we have to drag the cursor and file, then new. Okay, new. So here you can see the new page. Let's start. We will have to go to the keyboard and now type the code. Okay, so let's click on keyboard, and now the first and now we will start the syntax. Hash include then this bracket and include and in bracket stdio dot h. Okay, so here, as you know, std stands for standard, io means input output dot header file. Okay, in next line you have to write void main bracket open close. Then next line, since it is for area of triangle, now we need base and height, and it can be anything, right? From integers 1 to any things, decimals like 3.116, etc. So we know that is length. So here we will use the keyword of float. Okay, in last video we used integer only just to add. Now here we are having float, which is the word for decimal. Okay, now open curly bracket, then you have to type float. Okay, float, and in float what all things you want. The area can be in decimal, so area, comma, the base of the triangle can be in decimal, so base, and the height of the triangle can be in decimal, so height. Okay, then we have to give the break and then enter, and then clear screen. This is just an additional keyword. Now clear screen. Okay, after the clear screen, just give the break, and then we have to print. We have to get the output, right? So print f function, print function, bracket open, in inverted comma you have to write since we want to start it with the new line, so \n space, then any sentence you want to put, like, please enter base and height of the triangle, for which you want to measure the area, you want to find the area. Then again break. Okay, then the program has to scan whether we have that values, we have that float values. So scan function, bracket open, in this inverted comma, then put a percentage symbol and f of float. So this is just a way to represent it. You have to learn that, because this is how the syntax is being built. Okay, then comma, then we want to put two different words, that is the we want for base and we want for height only, right? So enter. Okay, no, here you missed. What you missed? Here you have missed the break. Okay, so put the break first, backspace. Oh no. Okay, you have to be very, very careful. Give the colon. Okay, then after that you write area equal to 0.5. 0.5 was what? Half into base into height. We know that area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height, right? So basically 0.5 equal to half into base into height. Okay, so half into base into height, so half into, for into we will use the asterisk mark, into base into height. Okay, then break. Okay, then we have to print, finally we have to print the result. So how will be the result displayed? Print f, in bracket you have to write in a new line, for new line, so we have to backslash and new line area. ठीक है, area in float. Okay, area space float, then invert comma close comma, the result will be shown as area, then bracket close, then semicolon. Okay, for break. Then get ch, get character, get the result, then break, then curly bracket close. Okay, now you can see that we have this many codes for area of a triangle. Let's see if it gets compiled or not. Okay, for compilation we have to click in compile, or you can also click here, that is compile button. Okay, so we will go here, because in computer we will get this only, we will not get this one. Okay, this one. So let's drag the cursor to compile, then click, then compile. Oh no, we have make back, compile, and then compile, press any key and see there is some mistake, should have a prototype. So here we will be going to clear the clear screen function. Okay, we don't need that, so just take the keyboard and clear it. Okay, now again we will click on compile, then compile, now it is saying that another get ch should have some prototype, so we will also remove this get ch. Since it is Android, it is working in Android, there will be some changes, so it is obvious, so you have to adjust upon that. Okay, then compile. So finally it is compiled, I think. Now we will run. For running, see here the run, so this one, or you can do this run also. We will go for this one. Okay, this run. So just drag to run, then run. Wow, so see here it is asking please enter the base and height of the triangle. Okay, so first we will give base, for example base maybe 9.1, enter. Now you can see I have written 9.1. now we will go for the height maybe 6.8. okay, enter. So the result came, but it went. So you see this is how it will work. You got the result. See, we have the area, then we are correct. Okay, so we got the right program. So I hope you liked the video, you got the knowledge, you got how to create a program in Android. Okay, for the area of a triangle with base and height. Similarly you can do others. We will see in the next video. Please do like or dislike, any suggestions comment and share to all. Okay, of course subscribe if you want. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you.